Hello everyone. Today we shall look into contains and contains row function. Contains function, it has few parameters: table, column name, value. It returns a value if a value can be found in corresponding column name or in those columns. Otherwise, function returns false. The arguments column name and value must come in pairs, otherwise error is returned. Column name must belong to the specified table or to the table that is related to table. If column name refers to a column in a related table, then it must be fully qualified. Otherwise, an error is returned. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated column or row level security rules. Okay, here let us see an example. We have country and brand and total sales. You could see the total sales measure is sum of sales column. Okay, let us see how contains function work. I'll select the measure table. I'll click over here. I'll click on new measure. I'll name the measure as contains measure equal to, I'll type contains. I'll open the parenthesis. I'll type the name sales table. Column name, I have the column name country. What I want is I want to view the true condition for Argentina column. Okay, and I'm closing the parenthesis. I'll hit enter. Okay, I'll bring the measure to the table and you could view how it works. I'm selecting the table, I'm bringing the measure. Here you could see that for Argentina it satisfies the condition, so hence it is true for Argentina, and then for all the rest of the conditions it is false. Similarly, if I select the brand is Apple, suppose sales brand, I'll put a comma. In the value 2, I'll type Apple. Okay, in the row where these two conditions are satisfied, it should result us in true value. Apart from that, it should result us in false. Here you could see that in Argentina Apple brand, for the first row it is true condition, and for the rest of the values it is false condition. Okay, this is how contains measure works. Let us move on to the contains row function and understand how it works. Contains row function, it returns true if there exists at least one row where all columns have specified values. Except syntax, in operator and contains row function, they are functionally equivalent. Unlike equal to operator, in operator and contains row function perform strict comparison. For example, blank value does not match 0. Let us see how it works. Okay, here I have an example, brand total sales. Okay, here I'll write a measure using OR operator. I'll rename the measure. Suppose that I want to see the sum of sales of Apple and LG. Okay, I'll write Apple and LG sales using OR operator equal to, I'll write calculate total sales. Okay, here I'll write sales brand equal to Apple. This double pipe symbol is an OR operator, hence I am using OR operator where brand equal to LG, either Apple or LG. I'll close the parenthesis. Okay, I'll click over here and I'll bring the measure into the table. You could see the difference. I'll bring the measure into the table. Here you could see that 32 million plus 31 million, it is around 63 million by using OR operator. Let us make another measure where I'll use in operator and show you the similar result, and let us see how it works. I'll write using in operator equal to calculate total sales, comma, here I'll write sales brand in, I'll open the curly braces, I'll type Apple, comma, LG. I'll close the curly braces and close the parenthesis. Okay, here I have written the in operator for the brand in order to calculate the total sales. I'll bring the measure into the table and you could notice the difference. here here you could see that the total sales is like Apple and LG total sales, which is 63 million, and the value is same. The same thing either using or operator or in operator, we can do it using contains row function. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. I'll create the new measure. I could write using contains row. Okay, I'll write calculate total sales, comma, here in the filter argument what I'll write is contains row function. Okay, here I'll write contains row. In the table, in the filter argument, I'll use the function contains row. Okay, in the table, I'll provide the values where I want to filter. Okay, I want Apple and LG. Okay, I'll close the curly braces, I'll put a comma. These values which belong to brand column, I'll use the brand in value 1, and I'll close the parenthesis and close the parenthesis of calculate. Okay, this is how we use contains row function in the as a filter argument in calculate to get the output as shown below. Okay, I'll use this measure. Here you could see that it is calculating the Apple and LG sales, and resulting us in the same output. Either we use or in operator or contains row operator like function. Let us see another usage of contains row function. I'll go to table tools. I'll click a new table. Okay, contains row function. It We could filter the data using contains row function as we do with respect to all function and other filter functions. Here what I'll do is I want only Apple table. Okay, to get the data of Apple brand, what I'll do is I'll use filter function. I'll use that sales. Okay, to remove the filters, I'll write all sales. Okay, in the filter expression, what I'll do is I'll write contains row function. In the table, I'll write only Apple so that I could filter out the Apple brand. In the value 1, I'll write sales brand. Okay, I'll close the filter condition and I'll hit enter. Let us move to the data view and see whether table is generated or not. Here you could see that in Apple table, for the function we have written, in the brand, if I could filter, you could see that there are only 490 rows and Apple brand is filtered out. This is how contains row function works. Please explore, practice. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.